hot diggity dog. 1996 Chevy Blazer with the cream cheese wood package. Oh, is that not hideous? Oh my. But she is clean. Man, she's clean. Got 200,000 miles on her. This is an old 96 like S-10 Blazer. It is a 4-door. If it is a 2-door, I would just be crapping myself. Let's see how she starts. Sounds pretty good. Got the oil light pegged over. That's very common with these gauges. And it looks like we got a check engine light, which, hey, that doesn't surprise me. This thing's damn 26 years old. Power window works good. Let's take her for a little drive. She seems all right. Trade in that Mountain View Nissan. Man, the first shift was really good. Pretty impressed. Wow. Steering wheel's a little off. So she might need, but the alignment seems decent. Yeah, the alignment seems pretty good. Somehow over the years, just the steering wheel has gotten off, off kilter. But we'll see how she goes down the track out here. We'll see if she's worth a crap. Oh boy. There's a Honda Civic. It looked pretty good. These old trucks, man, some of these are hard to beat. Old 4.3 Vortec. You can't beat these old trucks if they ain't all just beat down and whooped. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, no smoking out the back or anything. Man, she got good brakes. Good grief. This thing is tight, y'all. I mean, tight. Got just a little bit of slop in the front end. Just probably, steering box is probably a little worn. I imagine it's original. But mechanically, man, it is jam up. Somebody's driving that black truck now. Good luck, buddy. It cuts out on you. Let's see if we can get a little walk around here. Let's see what we got. Window works all right. Oh, there's a Mountain View Subaru I need to drive. Let's see. Pretty clean. Georgia gun owners. That's from Walker County. That's out in the country up here in North Georgia. Hell, it might even be one owner. She is a sweetheart. Look at them original fog lights. One of them's busted up. They may not be original. They might be aftermarket. But the paint's good. Paint's good on the roof. See the back seat. Can't get in the back seat. Man, if this sold cheap enough, I'm gonna be all over it. Pretty nice old rig. Matching Cooper Discovery tires all around. Even though they're getting a little on the old side, a little worn. Not a bad old rig. This transmission shift's beautiful, man. Alright, holler out to my old Chevy and Ford truck guys. 4.3 V6. Old school, man. You can't beat it. Can't beat it. Man, I like it. But God, I don't need a project right now. I got them lined up out there. Don't need no projects. I need one I can turn and burn. Turn and burn. Let's see what else Mountain View's got out here. They're always, I like Mountain View because, man, they will just settle it and let it go, baby. Alright, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. And I need to drive that Subaru because I still got somebody looking for one. Peace.